how much should you actually spend on a carbon steel wok? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find out which woks truly perform, not just look good on paper.
Product number 1, Sumiguan 13.5-inch pre-seasoned wok. Let's start with the Sumiguan 13.5-inch carbon steel wok, a solid mid-range option at $55.89 that's already caught attention with over 2,000 sales in the past month. What stood out immediately was the pre-seasoned surface using nitrile technology, which promises rust resistance and a non-stick start right out of the box. If you want a reliable, family-sized wok that works on induction, gas, or even open fire, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6.7-inch flat base gives excellent stability on stovetops while still allowing room for tossing ingredients, something many flat-bottom woks fail at. At 6.4 quarts, it comfortably handles 3 to 6 servings, making it ideal for meal prep or dinner parties. The solid wide handle stays cool and is secured with industrial screws, so it won't loosen over time. Plus, it comes with a glass lid and stainless steel spatula, rare at this price. The fact that it's compatible with induction without an adapter is a huge win for modern kitchens. Now, some people complained about the weight. At 3.68 pounds, it's not the lightest, especially compared to cheaper models. Here's the thing though, that weight actually helps with heat retention during high heat stir frying. If you're used to flimsy pans that wobble or cool down too fast, this added heft becomes a feature, not a flaw. Just know it's not ideal if you have risk issues or prefer ultra-light cookware. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, all-around wok for daily family cooking across multiple heat sources. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need something ultra-lightweight. For the price, you're getting serious value, especially with that included lid and spatula. Product number 2, Yosakata 13.5-inch black carbon steel wok. If the Sumiguan's weight or included accessories didn't fully convince you, the Yosakata 13.5-inch black carbon steel wok takes a more traditional approach at $62.99. This one's built like a tank, forged from high-grade carbon steel and pre-seasoned at over 600 degrees Fahrenheit for a natural non-stick surface. With over 1,000 recent sales, it's clearly resonating with home cooks who want authentic performance. What sets this apart is its versatility across cooking environments. Whether you're stir-frying on a gas burner, grilling outdoors, or camping over open fire, this wok handles it all. The ergonomic wooden grip stays cool even during long sessions, and unlike coated pans, there's zero risk of toxic fumes at high heat. It's also PTFE-free, so you're cooking with pure natural materials, exactly what serious cooks want. The deep design locks in flavors, making it ideal for fried rice, kung kok chicken, or any dish where moisture control matters. That said, a few buyers mention the handle can feel slightly loose after heavy use. Here's the thing, carbon steel woks are meant to be seasoned and maintained, not treated like non-stick throwaways. A little tightening now and then is normal, especially if you're tossing aggressively. It's not a defect, it's part of the traditional wok experience. This is perfect for you if you cook outdoors often or want a no-nonsense chemical-free wok that improves with use. Skip this one if you expect a perfectly smooth, maintenance-free surface. You're paying a bit more, but you're getting a true workhorse built for real cooking. Product number 3, Teiwei 13-inch carbon steel wok set was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for budget-conscious cooks, the Teiwei 13-inch carbon steel wok at just $29.99. Don't let the low price fool you. This set includes a lid, spatula, and dish brush, and over 1,000 people have bought it in the last month alone. The standout feature here is the upgraded nitriding process at 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which creates a rough, granular surface that naturally forms a non-stick layer as you season it. It's not magic, but it does reduce sticking and rust without synthetic coatings. At 1.3 liters and 13 inches wide, it's compact enough for small kitchens, yet spacious enough to feed 3 to 5 people. The flat bottom works on induction, gas, and electric stoves, and the detachable wooden handle makes storage easy. Plus, the silicone edge spatula won't scratch the surface, a thoughtful touch. Now the downside. Because it's lighter and thinner, it doesn't retain heat as well as heavier models. Some users noticed hot spots when cooking at very high heat. Here's the thing though, for everyday stir-fries, soups, or quick sautés, that's rarely an issue. And at this price, you can afford to buy 2 and rotate them while one seasons deeper. This is perfect for you if you're new to carbon steel or want an affordable starter wok with useful extras. Skip this one if you're doing daily high heat wok hay or need maximum heat retention. For under $30, it's one of the best entry points into authentic Asian cooking.
Product number 4, Yosakata 13.5-inch Blue Carbon Steel Wok. If the Tiwi's lightness left you wanting more power, the Yosakata 13.5-inch Blue Carbon Steel Wok steps up with serious build quality at $94.99. This isn't just a wok, it's a professional-grade tool used in both home and restaurant kitchens. The 15-gauge carbon steel is thick, durable, and designed to handle extreme heat without warping. What makes this special is its balance of tradition and performance. The pre-seasoned surface develops a superior non-stick layer over time, and the deep, rounded sides are perfect for tossing ingredients without spillage. At 5.2 quarts, it's spacious enough for large batches, yet the flat bottom ensures even contact on modern stovetops. The wooden handle is ergonomically shaped and stays cool even during long cooking sessions. Plus, it comes with a detailed care manual, something most brands skip. The biggest complaint: weight. At 4.1 pounds, it's noticeably heavier than others, and some users found it tough to maneuver if they have weaker wrists. Here's the thing, that weight is intentional. It's what gives this wok its incredible heat retention and stability during high heat cooking. If you're serious about wok hay, that smoky, restaurant-style flavor, this weight is your friend. This is perfect for you if you want a long-term investment wok for daily high heat cooking or outdoor grilling. Skip this one if you prefer light-mate pans or are on a budget. Yes, it's pricey, but it's built to last decades, not just years.
Product number 5, Todd Labe 13-inch non-stick carbon steel wok. The Todd Labe 13-inch carbon steel wok at $29.99 brings a modern twist to traditional design. What caught my eye was the dual handle setup, a main wooden handle and a helper ring on the side, making it easier to lift and toss heavy loads. With 900+ recent sales, it's clearly appealing to home cooks who want control without the strain. The surface is pre-seasoned at over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, creating microscopic pores that absorb oil and form a natural non-stick layer. No chemicals, no PFOA, just clean cooking. It heats 30% faster than cast iron, which means quicker sears and less waiting. The flat base works on induction, gas, and electric stoves, and the glass lid lets you monitor food without losing heat. Plus, hand wash care is simple. Dry it well and add a thin oil layer to maintain performance. One drawback, the helper handle is plastic and can get warm over time. Some users reported it becoming uncomfortable during extended cooking. Here's the thing though, it's still usable with oven mitts or a towel, and the main wooden handle does most of the work. It's a minor trade-off for the added balance it provides. This is perfect for you if you want an ergonomic, easy-to-handle wok for daily stir-frying without breaking a bank. Skip this one if you need ultra-high heat retention or plan to use it over open flames. For $30, it's a smart, user-friendly choice.
So, which carbon steel wok should you buy? If you want the best balance of features and value, go with the Sumi Guan. For outdoor or traditional cooking, the Yosakata Black model shines. On a budget, the Tiwi or Todd Labe delivers surprising performance for under $30. And if you're serious about wok hay and longevity, the Yosakata Blue is worth the splurge. Each has its strengths. Pick the one that fits your cooking style, not just the price tag.